Hey everyone, in today's TikTok video, I want to show you how to use Stitch on TikTok, where you could add your own clip at the end of someone else's TikTok video. It's really simple. Just choose the clip here that you want to stitch to, and then press the three dots right on that clip. And then this shows up, and a couple of options you have on the bottom here. So you could duet. Duet is a side-by-side video where both of your videos are playing at the same time. But Stitch lets you add to the end of the video. So what you want to do on this page is you want to select the portion of the video that you want to keep on the existing video. So that's your in point where your video starts. So you could choose that first. And then where your video ends, that's this option right here. Or you could drag the whole thing and select a different portion of the clip entirely. And this has to be at least 1 second. So if you go less than 1 second, it won't let you do that. You have to pick at least 1 second of someone else's video. And I'm doing this with my own video too, so you can stitch to your own video that you uploaded to TikTok before. Now, I'm gonna press next, and then it's gonna show my camera here. And again, I have lots of options here. I could change the speed in the center. I have all my options like flipping the camera, changing the speed, the beauty filter, the regular filter, timer, all that stuff, and the effects tab. And then on the bottom, take a look, you have 15 seconds or 60 seconds. So you see, as I'm changing this, the top will change. I'm gonna leave to 15 seconds, and this is the total length of the video. This includes your clip and their clip too. Now what you wanna do is you wanna record that clip. So I'm just gonna record this page right here, which is all my TikTok tutorials. And you could see on top, if it gets to 15 seconds, it's gonna cut off, right? And then as soon as I let go, you see the blue bar here? So the red is the section of the old video. The blue is the section I just recorded. And I could record another clip. So if I record another clip, it's gonna let me record another clip. Now this also has to be about 3 seconds, the stitch portion, the part you record, or it won't let you do it. Press the check mark on this page. Now you're in the page where it's gonna show the original video, and then it's gonna cut to the part I stitched. Now you have also some options here. You could add filters on this page. So all the usual filters could be applied to both of those clips to kind of try to tie them together. You could add voiceover. So if you go to the voiceover tab, you could record voiceover on top of the original video, or leave it as is with the original music and sound. You have volume. With volume, you could lower your audio. So you could bring that down to 0 or raise it up. And the original sound, that's the soundtrack of the original track. I'm gonna leave it as is. And then you could add text here on the bottom. You always have the text sticker option and the effects option on the bottom of the page. So make sure you use those the way you want to, and then press next. And then here's the page where you upload, but make sure you select your cover here too. It lets you select the different cover. So if you wanna select from the original video, do that, or select from the new clip that you added. And then make sure you save that cover here. And then by default, it adds the Stitch hashtag, which you can leave. It may get you more viewers that way too by just having the hashtag. And it's that simple to stitch on TikTok. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for easy to follow social media and tech videos. I'll see you next time.